Today we're going to look at what's called field guides and field charts. This is how we tell what the camera is seeing. Generally, this grid that we have here is called a field chart. So we can see the camera is seeing this whole area, and on it we have a number of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this particular one, it goes out to 12. It's a 12 field chart. Each field represents an inch. So one field would be this 1-inch little square. 4. It's a 4-inch square, all the way out to 12. We have east, west, north, south indications on the field chart. So, if I want to indicate that something is at a particular location, I can say, oh, it's like at 4 west, and say 4 north would be here on our field chart. Same thing here. It's like 6 south, 4 east is over here. Same sort of thing. So you can use this grid to place things, within your camera frame. Generally, you want to know, what the camera's seeing. Say we have our layout here. It's like, so we can see the camera. We say, oh, let's shoot this here at a 10 field, and it'll show just this area here. And generally what we do is we'll create what's called a field guide for the scene. So say we're going to do this scene at a 12 field. We want to trace off our outside border. So this, and we will indicate where our center is, right there. And there's also what's called television cutoff, so that's usually a couple fields in. So that's our 12 field cutoff. So this would be 12 field center, since it's centered. But anyway, that would, that would show us what our camera is seeing. So in our scene, when we're looking at our little guy here, he's in here, and this television cutoff is actually because televisions, especially the older style televisions, generally cut off a certain amount of the picture area that's broadcast. So even though you may have shot all the way out to the edge of the 12 field, what people see on their TV is probably going to be somewhere in here. So you want to make sure that all your action takes place within the TV cutoff if you're shooting for television. Anyway, that's a quick explanation of of field guides and field charts. Let's say that we want to do a slightly different thing with our field chart. Let's say we want to do something up here. Our center is at 6 north and 6 west. So we got a center up there, and let's say we wanted to do like a 3 field thing. So I'll just move this back here to the center, and we will do a 3 field. So that is, here up here, 3 field, 6 north, 6 west. So you can see how you can plot out on your field chart where your fielding is. So say you had a move, you wanted to go way down here to this kind of thing, and so you would be moving. Say you had a camera move that was going all the way down here. Then you would figure out what that particular is. Looks like we got like a 5 field, so this would be 5 field, and its center is at 4.5 south, and 5 east. So you can see how you can plot out your various moves with your field chart. Anyway, that's a quick explanation of the field.